I will give a tutorial on how to draw a rabbit from numbers 6 and 3. First, prepare drawing paper. Second, prepare black marker. Okay, let's start drawing. The first step, make the letters 6 and 3. The second step, make the ear with an oval shape. The third step, make an oval shape for the eyes and mouth. Fourth step, make the legs. Fifth step, draw a straight line on the number 3 to make a carrot shape. Sixth step, making the tail. Next is the coloring process. The first step, color the carrot with the orange color. The second step, color the leaves with green. The last step, give a line with black color.
Everyone, welcome to the video how to draw a bicycle. Step 1, you can make to the same circle shape. Step 2, you can draw a triangle following the center point of the circle. Step 3, you can make a straight line for the frame of the bicycle body. Step 4, you can make the shape. Step 5, you can make the pedal part. Step 6, you can make the handlebar part. Finally, the picture is done. Thank you for watching.
Draw a line from here to here and here to here. Next, we have to draw a cube on the top like this. And the next step is draw a double line from here to here like this. The next step is draw a cube to close this gap. And for the wheel, we need to draw a curve from here to here like this. And again draw a curve from here to here. The next step is fill this gap with circles. And fill this gap with lines. And here we go. We have a tank. Thank you for watching.
After that, we have to make another circle that surrounds the previous circle. After that, draw a hexagon line in the middle of the circle. And then draw a line at every corner of the hexagon. And then we make oval line for the head of the turtle and the butterfly. And then we make another oval line 4 times to make turtle's feet. And at last but not least, add the tail of the turtle. That's all for me. Hope you enjoy it.
Wait. And then we make the nose. And then a body, a fin. Okay. And the air intake, the engine intake. Then we will drawing a nice wing with a missile stick on it and a back wings. Okay, don't forget to add some details on it. Okay, and add some more missiles and add some details and add some details in the back wing and add some decals like number and pattern in the airplane. After that, we going to drawing a background like the sky, because the fighter plane it's flying in the sky, and add some afterburner on the engine and draws a pilot which piloting a fighter plane. There's 2 of them, and then add some graduation on it and some details on missiles. Okay, and we're going to make decals on its bodies like camel or a female, something like that. Okay, I think that's it.